Welcome to MedTech Evolution video series, BPACNZRx, Patient Medication, Controlled Drug Printing. An important note, the following functionality will only be effective following the May 2021 drug update. Controlled drugs can now be distinguished at drug classification level to allow B and C classifications to be indicated in the drug setup module within the More tab as shown. So if we go into the menu, options, clinical, drug, you can search for controlled drug. And on the More tab, you can see here that this is the controlled drug. It's ticked. This is the controlled drug code, B3. On behalf of the NZEPS and MedSafe, we have applied changes which now separate B-controlled drugs from C-controlled drugs on separate e-prescriptions automatically, rather than having to do this manually. This feature is only applicable to NZEPS activated prescribers, as other prescribers must use the manual triplicate form for controlled drugs. When prescribing a range of drug classifications at the same time, up to 3 separate prescriptions may be generated when the print button is selected, as shown. So as you can see here, we've chosen 2 controlled drugs with different classifications, and therefore 2 prescriptions will be printed. In addition, on the daily record, the classifications are indicated also here. The e-prescription without a controlled drug signature is exempt for NZEPS prescribers, and it's printed on the prescription provided the person printing the e-prescription is NZEPS activated. Controlled drugs are not currently signature exempt and require a signature of the authorised prescriber. When a controlled drug is prescribed, this is now indicated to the prescriber as shown. So on here, when we prescribe a new medication, where the drug is a controlled drug that's being prescribed, this is now indicated here on the new patient medication. An important note, if you are a non-NZEPS prescriber, then the ability to print controlled drugs is now suppressed, as these products can only be prescribed using the handwritten triplicate form. However, a controlled drug can still be recorded within the patient record, just not printed on the prescription.